your razor blade or scissors. Every time I work on the 4Runner or think back to the van build, I realize something. Most of the confidence I have now was learned standing beside my dad. Where'd the trash can go?
Throw it into one out front. Stick it on the floor for now.
Okay.
People always tell me how lucky I am to have a dad who knows how to build and fix just about anything. And honestly, they're right. Because without my parents, I probably never would have had the courage to build a van that completely changed my life.
These are pretty beefy. The instructions say check if the number of accessories is correct. Oh, there we go. Even better.
Is that what you wanted?
This goes like this. How are you doing it?
You gotta look at the picture.
I find this picture very confusing. It's got the black ones. Oh.
It's easier to look over here. See, there's the front.
I know, but how are you figuring out which ones go to what?
You could just look at it. See? This one is just like that.
No, I'm talking about these guys.
Those, the black ones go down here. These go up into the car.
Okay, that makes sense. So that they blend in. So this goes like this.
On the back, yeah.
So that it is appropriate. And then are you putting this on?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
For years, I dreamed about building a van and living on the road full time. But I kept talking myself out of it because I didn't have all the skills or the tools or really the money or the confidence to do it completely on my own.
Okay. The brackets are all on. They're all coated.
But somewhere along the way, after discussing the idea with my parents and even a good friend, I realized I didn't have to know everything before I started. I just needed to be willing to learn.
This one, or is it the front?
I don't know, there were two right where I was laying.
And having people around me who believed I could figure it out changed everything.
Doesn't look like it's the very front. That. See where it says front? Those two, but then there's two back behind it.
That's the right side. Okay.
So I think
So
it's
it
the
is
second set. It's not moving.
Did you hold the trigger all the way?
I did. It's not moving. They're not coming out.
I guess we won't put any run boards on this side then. What?
You got a wrench? They won't come out. Dad got the big air compressor, air ratchet out. Oh, it's time. You need to hold this?
Growing up, I watched my parents build things constantly, renovate rooms, tear down walls, rebuild spaces, install carpet, fix problems themselves. They've always been incredibly capable people. And over the last few years, I've tried to soak up as much of that knowledge as I possibly can. This front one doesn't look like it's in. Like it needs to push forward.
We'll move your bracket forward now.
I don't know, once I get the screw in here. I can't get it in there.
I got 4 in already.
I can't get this bolt in here.
Here. God. Did you get one in?
I got one in. You're the body man.
Not anymore.
You were.
I'm just a regular citizen.
Just a regular citizen.
So what I'll do is I'll lightly tighten the ones going up into the bottom here.
Yeah.
And then we'll see, do we need to slide it like forward or backwards?
Yeah.
Which way do you think it needs to go if you're looking at it right now?
Gotcha. That's a good question. I mean, it looks pretty center. That's probably better. My dad taught me how to use tools I had never touched before. I got one. A circular saw, table saw, band saw.
Why aren't you using the air ratchet?
Oh, I'm starting with this first. He walked me through framing, flooring, cabinetry, wiring. I still feel like a novice half the time, especially when it comes to electrical. And apparently, plumbing is still waiting for a future chapter. I don't know that I can use that. That thing's powerful. Oh my gosh.
Did you get them out?
No, that thing's too strong for me. I'm ready. Alright, I got 2 out. How do you manage the speed? Is there a speed adjustment on there?
Yeah, that knob on the side. They got numbers on them, see them?
Oh, it's like turned all the way up.
Of course.
Of course.
Push it out from the bottom. Push it out from the bottom up. No, from the other side. Push it. Well, you can turn that side too.
Oh, okay.
Whichever side is sticking out.
I'm so confused. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. It doesn't even stay on.
You don't have to pull the trigger all the way either.
No, I know. Jeez Louise.
Why'd you pull the trigger all the way?
Because there's like no happy medium.
Came out, huh? Sure you didn't turn it up?
I turned it to 1.
What's that for, 100%?
I don't know. I'm like closing my eyes as I try to pull all these out. But little by little, project by project, I started realizing I was more capable than I thought I was. Not because I suddenly became an expert, but because someone was willing to stand beside me while I learned.
It's coming out.
And I think that's the part I appreciate the most now. Not just the knowledge itself, but the patience, the support, the willingness to help me chase a dream that probably looked a little crazy from the outside. Especially for a daughter who wanted to build a van and disappear into the mountains full time.
This is the greasy one. Can't pull it off. Greasy. Like mine, it's not greasy.
I know that adventurous, independent side of me probably scared my mom at times. And let's be honest, still does. But neither of them tried to stop me.
It's not grabbing anymore.
Let me see. What did you do? Strip the head?
No.
Oh, Lord.
Did I break it?
Not coming.
Instead, they helped me build the life I was dreaming about. And because of that, I've had experiences I never would have had otherwise. I've stood in places that changed me. I've learned how to trust myself, how to solve problems, and I've learned that capability is something you build through repetition, curiosity, and having the willingness to just try.
Turn it.
Just try starting them by hand first.
Okay.
So I guess if there's anything I've learned through all of this, it's to spend time around people who know things you don't. Pay attention, ask questions, learn the skill, and observe how they think, because knowledge like this is priceless.
Okay, check it out.
How do you jack it up?
Make sure that handle's turned to the right.
All right.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Tell me when.
Keep going. Okay, that's good.
That's good?
Now lift up the handle on the jack stand. And then it'll come down.
Lift it up. And then how do you slowly release it back down?
Turn it to the left, slow,
Slow, right?
slow.
Sometimes the difference between a dream staying a dream and becoming reality is simply having the courage to start before you feel fully ready.
There we go. They're in. That looks pretty damn good. I hope they work. All right. Let's see. Let me step up. Where's my oh shit handle? Well, it holds me. So I think we did something right. Nice.